And here you go, the OnePlus 6 mobile, which has been brought from Amazon. This is what actually the OnePlus 6. Here you can see the OnePlus 6 as usual, as it comes from OnePlus. And the boxing is similar to what are the previous models came from OnePlus. The boxing is similar to like that. And you can see the price is 35,999, but it is actually available for 34,999 in Amazon. However, there is a cashback of 2,000 rupees in SBI debit and credit cards, so you can purchase it up to 28. Cashback, I think it is up to 28. Let us see what is it in the box. First, let us open how the phone will look like. Actually, there is a lot of hype with this phone, whereas the tech lovers has been waiting for this phone for so many days. However, the launch event has been happened in Mumbai on 17th of this month, and it has came to sale on 21st on Amazon Prime. And here you go, this is a mobile, how actually the OnePlus 6 look like. Yeah. Yes, it is the OnePlus 6. Here you can see it's a mirror black color, and this is what the outlook of OnePlus 6. Okay, let it keep it aside and let us see what are there in box. As usual, the boxing came as it is for OnePlus 5T, and here is a case for it. The case has been given for this also. Actually, it has been a habit of every mobile company giving a case with a mobile. So you can see here is a case for OnePlus 6 also, and then ejector pin, and few manuals have been given. And now the OnePlus sticker is given for OnePlus 6 mobiles. Actually, it is a habit of Apple phones giving stickers, but now it has been taken by OnePlus also. And now the most powerful charger, the dash charger. You can see the dash charger. It is with this. The OnePlus will tell that half an hour. If you charge for half an hour, you can get around 1 day usage of mobile. This is what the phone box contains. Let us see what are the initial expressions of the phone. Let us switch on it. It's taking its time. Yes, here it is. OnePlus as usual. For every OnePlus mobiles, this is what the opening looks like. And here you can see that it's a screen guard or some tempered glass is also given for it. And it is asking for language. You have to select the language. Okay, English, United States. Let's start. And it will ask for few settings are there. And let's go. So I'm in skip. Set as a new. So I have been connecting here to an Wi-Fi available for me. Yes, you can see that it is first asking for updates. And it's asking for mail. Let us skip this for now. Next. Skip anyway. Agree. No thanks. Yes, it is a OnePlus 6 after switching on the mobile, and you can see here the never settle. It is a caption of OnePlus which is used for every device. And you can see the phone, actually the resolution is too good here, and every time the mobile comes from OnePlus, it will almost reaches its expectations of the customers. So the resolution is really good, and the interface is you can see here the interface is really good. Let us check about phone. About phone, as you can see here, the OnePlus 6, and it is running on 5.1.0 Oxygen OS, whereas coming to Android version, it is running on Oreo 8.1.0. And let us have a few samples of camera here. Hello. Yes, you can see that there's no much difference from OnePlus 5T, but somewhat it have got improved from OnePlus 5T, but there is no much difference as you can find. Okay. Yes. Just click one image. Let's zoom it. Yes, it's working fine. Portrait mode, let us try for portrait mode. Yes, it's showing the depth effect, so you can take a snap now. Yes, this is a portrait mode. Oh, there is no big difference between OnePlus 5T and OnePlus 6, whereas coming to camera. But let us see what are the features of OnePlus 6 as and when it's changed from OnePlus 5T. The major difference is Snapdragon 845, whereas OnePlus 5T comes with 835 Snapdragon. And the major difference you can identify is notch. It comes with an iPhone X notch. This is what the major difference of OnePlus 6. So the remaining features, whereas compared for OnePlus 6 and OnePlus 5T, there is no much difference. However, I think this is this slider has been shifted from left to right. The placement of camera is really good, and you can see the fingerprint here, and it is also the placement is really good here, OnePlus logo, and you can see here the designed by OnePlus logo. It's really good looking so good. What I don't like in OnePlus 5T is the placement of fingerprint, but however in OnePlus 6 the same thing has happened, but we have to see whether it has been compatible with the users or not. Yes, this is what today for OnePlus 6 has been unboxed for you, and wait for few more videos on OnePlus 6. So we will try to keep videos after usage of 1 week, and we will come back to you with few more videos of OnePlus 6. And the signing off, this is Sumanth, HS Tech Tuts. Good evening, have a nice day, bye.